Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Rick Redding, CEO of the Index Industry Association, to discuss IIA's ESG report, which shows how asset managers are approaching ESG and their portfolios. Rick, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me. It's a pleasure to be with you.
Rick, what are some of the major findings of the report?
So this was an important report for us to help solidify a lot of issues around ESG. As independent index providers, we were looking to see what issues our clients, the asset managers, are dealing with in rolling out ESG. I mean, obviously the big headline reports everyone kind of knows. We found that 85% of asset managers, regardless of location, meaning in the US or in Western Europe, find ESG to be a high priority to them. One thing that we did a little differently than anything else we've seen is we actually asked them to quantify how large ESG could be within 5 years. Right now, they're reporting about a quarter of their portfolios are ESG based, and they think within 5 years, between 40 and 45% of their portfolios will be based on ESG.
How broad a scope of the industry does the survey cover?
So we covered 300 asset managers across the US, UK, France, and Germany, and we focused on the institutional community to make sure we got as broad as coverage in that institutional world as we could.
And Rick, why did the IIA conduct the survey?
So we did the survey because we do an annual survey of our members to look at how many indexes our members administer for our clients. And last year, ESG indices rose by about 40%, which we've never seen anything like that before. And trying to understand what were some of those drivers, what were some of the impediments that our clients were looking at. Because look, you know, what the survey showed and what we've known for some time, that this is all about client demand. Our members provide indexes based on what investors want. And what was clear from this survey was investors are looking for more ESG indices that have better data components to them. But one of the large findings was really about the quality of the data and the necessity for the corporates to provide better data so our members can incorporate that into benchmarks, and then the asset managers can create products for investors.
All right, Rick, we appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill.